In this Propel review, I'm going to be showing you a way that you can get an autoresponder, cloud hosting, cloud storage, graphic designing app, webinars, and an AI copywriter all for a one-time price. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Propel, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we get started here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, tired of paying pesky monthly subscription fees to third-party platforms for limited services? Grab everything you need: top-notch autoresponder, cloud hosting, cloud storage, graphic designing app, webinars, AI copywriter, and even link optimizer to use for life at just low one-time price. So essentially this has a ton of different tools like that are alternatives to things like Aweber hosting, Dropbox, Photoshop, and Zoom that you can use in your business right now and stop paying monthly prices for them. They show a bunch of screenshots here. I mean, this is money that they make in their business. I don't necessarily know what it has to do with this product. I mean, they're showing what they make, showing that you can make money with it, but I mean, it depends upon what you're doing in your business. So step one, it says purchase it. Step two, activate. And then step three, you sit back and you enjoy monthly savings. So essentially you won't be paying monthly for things that you could get for a one-time price here, like hosting, autoresponder, cloud drive, graphic designer, content writer, and webinar tools. All these things included in here that you can pay hundreds of dollars elsewhere if you were to pay for it and get them in these other platforms here. So if I go down here, it's going to show you all the different ones that are included in here. And I'll let you look at that on your own time. But yeah, if you purchase, you get access to all these different tools. You get them all immediately here, all included in the package. But here's what I'm going to show you, and what not everyone's going to show you. If you come to the sales page, you move your mouse away like that, a $5 discount is going to pop up here. Make sure you do that. I always want you to get the lowest prices on these. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. I make less as an affiliate, but I always want you to get the lowest prices. Okay, what I'm going to do now is show you a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area, the OTOs, and how you can get a discount on all of them.
Hi there. How would you like to skip all the monthly costs associated with running an online business and jump directly to profits? Yes, as an online marketer, you need various tools and services for your business. That includes hosting, autoresponder, cloud drive, graphic designing, content writing, and webinar tools. And you're paying hundreds of dollars every month, thousands, maybe tens of thousands of dollars every single year. Imagine if you can get your hands on world-class software that is a magical bundle of 7 most used digital marketing apps at a low, unbeatable price. You can use all the extra money to grow your business, run advertising campaigns, do marketing, do stuff that really brings money to the table. Many people quit even before they make their first sale because they get overwhelmed with all the costs needed to run an online business. But everything changes today. Instead of worrying about every single month about paying these services, you can relax, have a clear mind, and work on making profits while we take care of the rest. Hi, I'm Yogesh Agarwal, a passionate internet marketer delivering high-quality software products over the last 3 years, making $2.4 million in sales and profits. I've helped over 39,000 struggling marketers to generate more traffic and sales for their offers and businesses with my revolutionary software products. And today, I'm bringing another groundbreaking tool. Introducing Propel, world's first advanced 7-in-1 business package comprising all the high-quality services you'll ever need with zero restrictions for a single payment. It includes Propel Host, unlimited hosting solution that allows you to host unlimited websites, domains, and subdomains on ultra-reliable and super-fast loading servers with unlimited end-to-end SSL encryption and bandwidth. Propel Mailer, brand, new email autoresponder with built-in SMTP. Domain management, unlimited campaigns, unlimited subscribers, email templates editor, and embedded subscription form feature. Propel Webinar, video conferencing platform designed to help people and business conduct virtual meetings from multiple devices with end-to-end SSL encryption. Also offers team collaboration tools including audio and video conferencing, podcasts, screen sharing, integrated messaging, and more. Propel Cloud Drive, an all-in-one platform that allows users to store up to 500 gigabytes, backup, Share and host unlimited files, images, and videos in the cloud for life with revolutionary compression algorithm. Propel Graphic Design App, powerful and advanced Photoshop replacement that allows users to create stunning, eye-popping graphics and images with point-and-click simple editor and stunning filters. Propel AI Copywriter, one-click instant copywriter for creating unlimited content with AI technology and seven-figure copywriting templates, drag-and-drop editor, and full SEO optimization. Propel Link Optimizer, advanced link optimizer that protects your links from hijacking, from spam traps, and land even your affiliate links into primary inbox. Loaded with link rotators, password protection, multiple URL shortening, and tracking pixels features. This sounds incredible! Propel will effectively enable you to stop monthly expenses of Aweber, hosting, Dropbox, Photoshop, and Zoom, and save thousands of dollars each year. Propel, get ready to host unlimited websites, domains, subdomains, databases for years at no extra cost. Send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with built-in SMTP in just minutes. Host podcasts, webinars, virtual conferences, online classes, and conduct heavy usage live business meetings in just minutes. Store, share, and deliver all your videos, audios, images, and media files with ultra-fast and reliable cloud storage. Design pro-level graphics for all your projects with our point-and-click simple Propel graphic design app. Design high-converting sales letters, upsells, newsletters, VSLs, and even regular blog posts in any niche for just one click. Skyrocket your open and click-through rates by optimizing your email links in just a few minutes. And here's the kicker. Get all this at one low-time price. Just how good does that sound? Well, today is a lucky day. Today is the day it will all become a reality for you. Propel is a revolutionary software unlike any other in the industry. The best part? It's 100% newbie-friendly and gets better and better every day. Finally, it's time to stop paying month after month to expensive money-sucking service providers and make huge money day in and day out. And grab hold of this breakthrough tool and enjoy lifetime access to these 7 services that usually cost hundreds of dollars every month. And unlock doors to a better life with more savings, money, freedom, happiness, security, peace, all bundled into one smooth package. With our product, you don't need to pay anymore for autoresponder, webinars, graphic designing, cloud storage, copywriting, hosting, link optimizer. Fire that copywriter and graphic designer today. Propel is a complete business suite that provides you all vital tools you need at a reasonably low one-time price and skyrockets your profits. This product will explode your lists, clicks, sales, and profits. It's a true win-win. Cancel all those pesky monthly subscriptions. You also get access to some incredible bonuses when you buy them today. WhatsApp Store, Online WhatsApp Store Builder, Profiles, build your business profile page with our DFY templates and QR Builder. PageX, Landing Page Builder, create, publish, and optimize unlimited landing pages. 10+ unannounced bonuses. We are offering you a cost-effective solution with zero limitation and even more features and easier to use than anything on the market right now. Propel comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have 30 days to try and test. Start using Propel instantly and start making money with this right away. It normally takes thousands of dollars to create software like this and months of waiting for designers, coders to create such a thing. And I'm going to give it to you for a nominal price of $16.95. Because it's Christmas and I want you to succeed. I want to remove any excuses and/or any roadblocks you might have in your way to become successful. I want to help out serious struggling marketers to break free from those money suckers' clutches and start making real profits for their business. That's why I've decided to go all the way and offer you instant unlimited access to these incredible tools at a low one-time price. Can it get better than this? Yes, it does. So waste no more time. Grab this magical bundle of 7 most used digital marketing apps at an unbelievable low one-time price and transform your business today. Abandon all those expensive monthly bloodsuckers and save thousands of dollars each year. We can't wait to see you making super money with this breakthrough software.
Here's the backend area. We have access to all the different softwares here. You can see them easily accessible right here, but there are multiple OTOs. So the first one here says, I'm going to show you a truly one-time offer, saving more, blah, blah, blah. It's got a pro upgrade. It's going to unlock all kinds of powerful features, e-com store builder, multi-business service booking software, website builder, and web conversion builder. So it's going to unlock a bunch of different softwares. But of course, what do we want to do? It's normally 67. You want to move your mouse away on this one. And if we move our mouse away like this, it should pop up a discount code. So it might not be working because this is a preview page, but try doing that. It should pop up a code here, a discount that will give you a discount on this. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but make sure you do that. Give me a like if you can to support my channel. Okay, next one here is you can get the, it says make your income potential unlimited with Propel Max. You get access to premium features of cloud storage, webinars, email autoresponders, all these different things. They're going to add in some more premium features for you. Here we go. Move your mouse away, and this one brings the price down from 67 to 47. The next one's a business app here. So it's normally 57, but if you move your mouse away on this one as well, a discount code should pop up on this one as well. Make sure you at least try it to make sure you get that lowest price. Next one is agency. So you can have your own website hosting and email marketing agency here. And if you move your mouse away on this one, a discount code should pop up. Make sure you try that. There's a reseller license, so you can actually resell this and keep 100% commissions. And the last one here is they're going to set this up for you. And if you move your mouse away, it looks like they're still making this page, but if you move your mouse away, you should get a discount on that one as well. Oh, here we go. You can bring the price down to $297 there. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Propel and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, when you have something like this where it's like autoresponders and cloud hostings and it's a one-time price, just know that it's not going to be as good as paying a monthly fee for something like Aweber or a monthly fee for something like HostGator. Those places, when you're paying them monthly, they have an incentive to keep making the softwares better, and you usually get a better product when you do it, when you pay a monthly fee. But of course, you'll be paying monthly for it. What do I like about this? Anyone that is on a budget, anyone that wants to just get started here and they want to get a deal and they don't want to be paying monthly, then this could be for you in your business in an early stage, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Propel, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.